I really am excited to be an example of what is possible with Florida-friendly landscaping so that people can see our house and think like we should do that.
You guys ready to flip a yard?
We install a new deck, but not in the backyard.
It's going to bring an outdoor area to functionality where they can come out and hang out and spend some good time outside.
And you'll learn what makes a plant Florida-friendly.
The smell is great. You can, pinch it off and take a whiff. Just run your hand next to it.
We'll discover a better way to irrigate your plants that save water and money.
They have drip emitters in there that'll put out that little bit drop of water every second.
And we take hanging plants to a new level.
He is using drought-tolerant, Florida-friendly type plants and actually doing a vertical garden here.
And we do a little tree climbing.
I'm gonna come back on you. You got me?
All this and more on Flip My Florida Yard.